Wa alaikum salam.
In Surah Hajj,
Yes.
verse 40,
Okay.
monasteries, churches, synagogues are mentioned with the mosque, in which the name of Allah is mentioned. Now, will you shower some light to create this condition?
Okay. Thank you. You see this, if you open this Surah 22:40 ayat, you see this, I will read this verse in Arabic and then I will translate because there is some translation error. Nil ladina ukhriju min diyarihim bighayri haqq illa an yaqulu rabbuna Allah walawla daf'u Allahi nas ba'dahum bi ba'd lahuddimat sawami'u wa bi'un wa salawatun wa masajid yudhkaru fiha ismullahi kathira wala yansuranna Allahu man yansuruh inna Allaha laqawiyyun aziz. Those who have been expelled from their circles without truth, except that is that they said, our Lord is Allah, and if Allah did not repel some of the mankind with some, He should definitely demolish silos for grain storage, places of deals, marketplaces, and prayers and mosques. In them, the name of Allah is being mentioned, remember mostly. So Allah will definitely help those who help Him. Surely Allah is powerful, mighty. Now, brothers and sisters, this I will read and explain to you in Surah 22:40 ayat. Now, the first word is Swami. You see, the translating of these words, Swami, they translate for this word Swami is monasteries. Swami. So I have translated as silos for grain storage, where people store grains all over the world. There are storage, maybe in a tower or in underground, there are storage, grain storage. So wherever they are in the world, if there is a community of the Muslim community, they will pray. Allah's name is mentioned. So they are referring to as monastery, and in monasteries Allah's name is not mentioned. So now I have translated as silos for grain storage. Then the next word is bi'aun. Bi'aun, bai. They translated this as synagogues. How bi'aun could be synagogue? So bi'aun is the places of deals, where people do deals, marketplaces. Okay? And then salawat, prayers. Salah is a plural as salawat. For that they translate as churches. Salawat churches. They translate this, what kind of a translation people do sometimes. For bi'aun they translated as synagogue. For salawat, prayers, they translated as churches. Amazing. So Allah, these are the places among the Muslim community where there are grain storage, they pray. Allah's name is mentioned. Where business people are doing in the marketplace or business deals are there among the Muslims, they pray. In the marketplaces, the deal places also there. Then anywhere in the world, salawat is a plural of prayers. They can pray on any part of the world. So they are not so they have translated monasteries, synagogues. For salawat, they are translating as churches. Salawat is churches. It makes no sense. So they are trying to put these guys, the non-Muslims, into these ayahs. It's not there. So that is what I'm saying. That is your question is how this word mosque is with these where Allah's name is mentioned. So I am telling among the Muslim community, believers, wherever there are silos, you will find people who are believers, they pray at that time. If the prayer time comes, they are doing this work also, they are praying also. But you can see this word is very simple words. You see, Sawami' is silos for grain storage, number one. Number two is bi'aun, buy. That is deal. Yeah, sell and purchase, marketplace. Among the Muslim community, marketplace, people pray. And then salawat is a plural of salah. So they have translated as churches. So you can understand, simple people can understand. So now they translate these as churches, synagogues, and masajid. The word then masajid also comes. So they are trying to distinguish in the churches also, and in the synagogues and the monasteries, everywhere Allah's name is mentioned. No, only these places when related to believers, in all these places as mentioned in the Quran.
So God is very divided.
No, which God?
God is one. But the Christians don't believe in single
So
God.
that is what I'm saying. They are referring that they're also in the synagogue, in the churches, they're also praying over the same God. No, they are not. They are praying to the same God. Sorry.